So guys,
Ginagawa
meet
mo.
my sister. Sister. Wow. Wow. It's me and my sister. Wow. No. Okay. Okay. Wow.
Lagi pa ako gumigas! Lagi pa ako gumigas! Yes, we are there, road.
Hars
Say hi!
Hi.
Utan mong ghost tagsing ko. So yes guys, we'll be joining and be coming to the cafe, to the bouquet. Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is gagawa kami ng Englishan challenge with my squad. So ngayon guys is nandito kami nila Kimi and Ivy. So yes. So ngayon guys kasama ko sila.
Ginagawa mo.
Arat na!
Dali, 1, 2, 3, go.
The challenge now starting, guys.
What you do?
Charoy. Let's do this in destination.
You will never go away.
So, guys, I will go into the road trip.
Ginagawa.
So, guys, kanang.
I'm here to the cafe, to the bouquet,
The bouquet and
I never go away.
Ginagawa.
Yes. What's up, guys?
So,
So,
is going to the road trip.
so yes, we are free. Hey, look, our life is free now.
Sorry. Road trip, so, guys.
Guys, so hot.
So hot,
so hot
so
in
cold, so cold.
so hot here in the Philippines because
My mother said.
because my utan mong ghost tagsing ko.
My horse.
So guys, this is my horse.
Horse.
Horse. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi to my vlog. Baka nakabaw. Oh, lagi pa ako gumigas. Lagi pa ako gumigas. Lagi pa ako gumigas. Lagi pa ako gumigas.
Our life is free now. Hi guys.
Ginagawa mo.
So yes guys, we'll be joining and be coming. We go to the Goliath. Yes, because
Goliath is
Goliath is our life.
Happy. What's up, guys?
So guys, this is a farm.
Corny area.
Yes, Char.
I have many corn. Corn chip.
So heavy girls never. I'm so pilamuk. So guys, we're here now in highway because we're looking at tricycle. And yes, because
Cycle.
tricycle only girl because tricycle is
best of us.
never go.
Never go and
So yes guys,
never go and never
we're
go.
here in the highway of Minglalilian. Don't forget the word.
Because we will labang-labang here. We will labang-labang here.
Yeah. So guys, we're here in Inga.
Inga.
Yeah.
So guys, kapag lugsong guys. O, diba? Tapos kayo mamusungan nun.
You're speaking now, Bisaya.
Okay. So
Oh,
guys,
sakit sa tail. Ay! My feet are so pain. Are in pain.
guys, is haha. What is that ready for?
Ginagawa mo.
See this girl? So guys, it's so cold. Stay hot. In Inga, Riprapan is over there. It's over there.
Yeah. So guys, we are now in home.
Let's get started to the road trip.
The road trip of the Rose Kamaisan.
Kamaisan to the corner.
And yes,
Sweet corn.
this is Ivy.
Ginagawa mo.
Guys, it's so heavy, very much. It's so heavy.
So we are now walking above there. Oh yes guys, we're now walking there to the home of Ivy and Emmy. Emmy? And yes, over there.
Guys, kumain.
Ginagawa mo.
namin magka-job pero wala kaming job.
You're speaking Tagalog. I didn't understand your language.
Ginagawa mo.
Speak English.
Yes. So dirty. Why I can see my camera there? So this is the dirty.
Ginagawa
So
mo.
yes, upon there. Say hi, Amy and Ivy.
So guys, we are
Bilat. Ayan. We so laugh,
Ginagawa mo.
girl. I didn't understand this.
Let's eat
Let's eat the
lechon.
lechon. Lechon body.
Ginagawa mo.
My home. We lechon.
So guys, meet my sister.
Wow.
Ginagawa.
Which we are my sister. Wow. No. Okay. Wow.
My English are so
Ginagawa mo.
yes, wrong grammar. But you know guys, we're not abusing our language. Yes guys. What?
My hair is so dumb. Comb my hair. I brush my teeth and sud my hair.
Yes. sir.
Ginagawa mo.
You're so jejemon. When I am elementary, I'm so jejemon like like that. So jejemon. That's the what? Yeah.
Oh, meet my sister.
I'm so excited.
My sister girl.
And this is my sister-in-law.
Ginagawa
That
mo.
one cow is my sister. And this is my sister-in-law. OMG, I'm so excited. You're now excited to eat the lechon.
Yes! Yes, I guess! Yes, we are there, road.
A little road in Bakay.
Road
Yes, in Bakay Dos. It's called a Purok Bakay.
Puro kamugayan.
It's a little village. It's not village. Girl.
It's the village.
It's not village. This is Kahumayan girl.
Corn farm.
Yes, corn farm. Corn dog char. So yes, we're now here in our home of Ivy Nelias. And yes, so guys, we're now in Ivy house. Oh my god. I'm so preggy. Char. I'm so big. My head is so big. Yes. So guys. So guys, we are here guys. So guys, we're now here on Ivy's house because her cousin, pamangkin are birthday. Please don't judge our face now because we are piging the Goliath Mall and waiting our classmates.
Me and my best friend.